Hello friends, today we are going to design coupling. We will start by making its parts. But because it will take some time, I made it and I show you how to draw it. Okay? This is the first end coupling, which called hub. Okay? How you will draw that part? First of all, you will make that sketch with those dimensions. It's an equations, okay? The rod R is equal, the rod dimension is 50 millimeter, so the precise diameter equal to 1.5 rod diameter, which means 80, and the outer diameter of the hub equal to 2d of the rod, which means 100, and the overall outer diameter equal to 4d plus 2t, which is 6 millimeter. Okay, and this length equal to d, and this length equal to half d. Okay, now it's clear and you can exit. After we made revolve, we added some fillets here with a value equal to 5 or 5 millimeter. Then we made chamfer to make it easy for the rod to enter here. Then we made 4 holes, which will be the position for our bolts. Then we made our K bath with a value equal to 8 multiplied by 14. This is the sketch for K path. 14 multiplied by 8 millimeter. Then made cut extrude, exit. Then saved it with a name of C hub first end. And the next part is similar to the first, but the difference is when you made revolve, you should tear the 10 millimeter from outer to inner, because they will be in touch at that line. Let's arrange our dimensions. after add the other one, then exit. Then we made cut extrude to make the position of bolts. Then we added some fillet and chamfer and K path with the same. Saved it with a name C hub second end. Let's move to the third part, our K with one feature and with sketch with dimension equal to 4 multiplied by 8 millimeter. Okay, and give it an appearance. Then we saved it with CK name. C refers to coupling. Okay, our rod we made was extrude with diameter equal to 50 millimeter with a value equal to 200. Okay, then we made an extrude cut from the same sketch, okay, with a value equal to 50 millimeter with our K as sketch. Okay, then we add chamfer here to depur the sharp edges. Okay, then we saved it C rod coupling rod. And the last part, washer, we made a sketch, 2 circles. The inner one is equal to 16 millimeter because our bolts in 16. Okay, the outer one we made it 25 millimeter. Then we add fillet to the edges. Okay, and the next parts will import it from our toolbox. Okay, we have 2 rods, then so we made just one. We have 2 Ks, so we draw just one of them. Okay, and we have 4 washers, so we made one, and bolts and nuts we will import it from our design library. Now to end that video, I missed something as the first, which that you should detect folder, give it a name of coupling. In that folder, make small folders with names, parts, drawing, assembly, animation if you will do it. If you have stress analysis, make another file with another folder with stress analysis name to arrange your design and know where everything of your design. Okay, I hope that you liked the tutorial, and see you in the assembly and drawing video. Thank you.